So the company that I decided to go with is called Aura Organic. This company claims to prioritize ethics. They're also plant-based, and they do third-party testing to make sure that the ingredients that they say are in these are actually the ingredients that are in these. I got the So Lean and So Clean plant-based superfood protein in the vanilla flavor. I really wanted to get the vanilla chai flavor because it just looked so good, but I'll be sharing this with my husband and I don't really know if he's rocking with it like that, so I just got the regular vanilla. I also got the Renewable Energy Organic Pre-Workout Supplement in the matcha flavor, which I'm really excited to try, and I got the Good as Gold Golden Milk Turmeric Powder. I decided to get the pre-workout, obviously, for my workouts because I'm planning on going super hard in the gym. But when I saw that golden milk on there, I was like, y'all, I gotta get it. This product claims to be really good for stress relief as well as the immune system, which checks out according to the ingredients. We all know turmeric and ginger, which it says on the bottle, are in it. Anti-inflammatory. Reishi mushrooms are really good for stress relief. Ashwagandha is great for libido. Now, I've already had my workout for the day, so I'm not going to try the pre-workout, but I have not had my protein powder. So I'm going to try this so that you guys know if it tastes good or not. Let me know if you want a part 2 so I can try the rest of the stuff. So this calls for 2 scoops per 8 ounces of liquid, which would typically be plant-based milk or water, for 3 carbs, 21 grams